Level 1, $500. A credit card, a tire, a dentist bill. Rent came first. $500 doesn't feel like debt. It feels like a rounding error. You pay the $25 minimum and feel responsible. But you're only treading water. Priya pays hers off completely. She says, I just don't carry a balance. Debt doesn't arrive as a crisis. It arrives as a rounding error. Level 2, $15,000. Now it's 3 credit cards and a 9% car loan. A consolidation company promises relief. Lower payment, longer term, more interest. You hang up. Danny takes the deal. 6 months later, smaller payment, bigger balance. You watch the math before it happened. You begin tracking every dollar. Control starts with one decision. Level 3, $40,000. Debt becomes the weather you live under. A $3,000 raise disappears before it changes your life. The house isn't a plan anymore, it's just a dream. You start selling things. A guitar, clothes, anything that helps. Level 4, debt-free, savings, $0. Level 4, debt-free, savings, $0. Level 5, $10,000 saved. Your emergency fund protects your peace, not just your money. Level 6, $500,000, quiet, invested, debt-free. The only thing that changes your future is changing before debt changes you.